it's Sandy, and in today's nail tutorial, Julie is going to be showing you how she created these insanely gorgeous rainbow stone marble nails.
Hi guys, it's Julie. If you're new to the channel, make sure to click the button to subscribe below and be sure to check back for new videos every week. To start off, I'll be applying a base coat to protect my natural nails. Next, I'll be applying a white nail polish to all of my nails. Don't worry about doing 2 coats though, because this is just to make the colors we put over top more vibrant and opaque. To save yourself some trouble and cleanup time, I recommend applying a nail polish barrier around your nails. Now grab your favorite polishes in rainbow colors. Starting in the corner of your nail, apply a blob of your first color. I'm going in the order of the rainbow, so I'm starting with red, but feel free to mix it up. I continued with the following colors, working back up the sides of my nail to finish with purple beside the red. Now lay a piece of plastic wrap down onto your nail. Carefully tap it down, then pick it up and move it over just a little and tap it again. Do this 2 or 3 times, then remove the plastic wrap. If you have any areas of white still showing, feel free to add it back in, but it doesn't have to be perfect because we'll be adding the white detailing next. Clean up any polish on your skin with a brush dipped in nail polish remover. Now crumble up the piece of plastic wrap and apply some white polish to it. Dab off the excess, then stipple the color a few times onto your nail. But be careful not to apply too much color because less is more with marble prints. Next, grab a detail brush and white polish or paint. Go back in and make tiny squiggles across the nail. I like to follow the spots that the plastic wrap already made. Then all you have to do is finish with a top coat to seal in your design and add a beautiful shine. Don't forget to click the button to subscribe below and click the info card on the top right of your screen for more CutePolish videos. And for more tutorials by me, check the description box for my personal channel.